Hey there, Tech Nation fam. Are you a gamer or a tech enthusiast curious about the intricate process of creating graphics cards? Well, you're in for a treat because in this video, we'll take you on a captivating journey through the fascinating world of graphics card manufacturing. From the initial design stage to the final product, we'll show you every step involved in creating this essential component for your gaming rig. So get ready to be amazed, educated, and entertained as we uncover the secrets of graphics card production. Without further ado, let's dive into the captivating world of tech with Tech Nation. First, let's start with the basics. A graphics card, also known as a video card, is an essential component of a computer that helps to generate images and video on a display. It works by translating data from the computer into images that you can see on the screen. The better the graphics card, the smoother and more realistic the images will appear. The history of graphics cards goes back to the early days of computing when computer monitors could only display text. The first graphics card was introduced in 1981 by IBM, and it was capable of displaying 4 colors at a resolution of 320 by 200 pixels. Over time, graphics cards became more advanced, and by the late 1990s, they were capable of displaying 3D graphics in video games. Graphics cards are made using advanced manufacturing processes and technology. The process starts with the design phase, where engineers create a blueprint of the graphics card. This blueprint is then used to create a prototype, which is tested and refined until it's ready for mass production. The manufacturing process involves creating a silicon wafer, which is then etched with microscopic circuitry using photolithography. This process creates a pattern of tiny transistors that make up the graphics card's processor. Once the wafer is complete, it's sliced into individual chips, which are then mounted onto a printed circuit board, PCB. The PCB is then assembled with other components, such as memory chips and power regulators, to create the final graphics card. The completed graphics card is then tested for performance and quality before being shipped to consumers. The technology behind graphics cards is constantly evolving, and the latest graphics cards are incredibly powerful. They use advanced processors and memory to deliver realistic and immersive gaming experiences. Graphics cards also use specialized software, such as drivers, to optimize performance and compatibility with different applications. Here's a summary of some of the best graphics cards available in the market, along with their properties and functionalities. 1. nvidia GeForce RTX 3080. This graphics card is a powerhouse and one of the most sought-after cards in the market. It features 8704 CUDA cores and 10 GB of GDDR6X memory, making it perfect for high-end gaming, video editing, and 3D rendering. The card also features ray tracing and DLSS, deep learning supersampling, technology, which improves image quality while maintaining high frame rates. 2. AMD Radeon RX 6900 XT. This is another high-end graphics card that offers excellent performance and power. The card features 5120 stream processors, 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, and supports ray tracing and variable rate shading. It's perfect for 4K gaming and is compatible with VR technology. 3. nvidia GeForce GTX 1660 Super. This graphics card is a mid-range option that still offers impressive performance. It features 1408 CUDA cores and 6 GB of GDDR6 memory. It's perfect for 1080p and 1440p gaming and is also ideal for video editing and graphic design. 4. AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT. This graphics card offers excellent value for money and is a great option for gamers on a budget. It features 2560 stream processors, 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, and supports ray tracing. It's perfect for 1440p gaming and offers excellent frame rates at high settings. 5. nvidia GeForce GT 1030. This is a budget-friendly option that still offers decent performance for light gaming and general use. It features 384 CUDA cores and 2 GB of GDDR5 memory. It's perfect for casual gamers who don't require high-end graphics or advanced features. These are just a few of the best graphics cards available in the market, each offering unique features and functionalities. When choosing a graphics card, it's important to consider your specific needs and budget to find the best option for you. The graphics card industry has experienced tremendous growth over the years, and its future is very promising. With the increasing demand for high-quality graphics in gaming, virtual reality, video production, and other industries, the need for more powerful and efficient graphics cards will continue to rise. One trend that is likely to shape the future of the graphics card industry is the development of more powerful and energy-efficient GPUs. With the advent of artificial intelligence and machine learning, GPUs are becoming increasingly important in powering these applications. Companies are investing in developing more powerful GPUs to support these applications and make them more accessible to users. Another trend that is expected to shape the future of the graphics card industry is the continued evolution of ray tracing and other advanced graphics technologies. Ray tracing, for example, has already revolutionized the way we experience graphics in video games and other applications. As hardware and software developers continue to refine these technologies, we can expect even more realistic and immersive graphics in the future. Finally, the rise of cloud gaming and streaming services is also expected to have a significant impact on the graphics card industry. As more users access high-quality games and applications from the cloud, the demand for powerful and efficient graphics processing will continue to grow. There is a strong correlation between graphics cards and cryptocurrency mining. In recent years, as the popularity of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum has grown, so has the demand for graphics cards to mine these digital currencies. Cryptocurrency mining involves using powerful graphics cards to solve complex mathematical algorithms and earn digital coins as a reward. Because of the computational power required to mine cryptocurrencies, graphics cards have become an essential tool for many miners. As a result, the demand for graphics cards has increased significantly, causing shortages and price hikes in the market. This has made it more challenging for gamers and other users to purchase graphics cards for their intended use, as miners are buying them in bulk. Some graphics card manufacturers have even developed specialized GPUs designed specifically for cryptocurrency mining, with features like higher memory bandwidth and faster clock speeds to improve mining performance. However, the correlation between graphics cards and cryptocurrency mining is not always positive. The high demand for graphics cards in the mining industry has caused shortages and price hikes in the market, which can be detrimental to gamers and other users who rely on these cards for their work or hobbies. Additionally, the high demand for graphics cards has led to increased energy consumption and environmental concerns, as mining can be a highly energy-intensive process. And that brings us to the end of this video on graphic cards. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of graphics processing, and that you found the information and insights shared in this video to be valuable and informative. In today's world, graphics cards are essential tools for gamers, professionals, and cryptocurrency miners alike. From high-speed processing and energy efficiency to advanced graphics technology and mining performance, there are a lot of factors to consider when choosing the right graphics card for your needs. As always, if you have any questions or comments about graphics cards, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Nation for more informative and engaging content on the latest technology trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.